Easy and delicious Oriental-style chicken with broccoli. In a pot of hot water, add 1 chopped broccoli, 1 sliced carrot, 1 teaspoon of salt, stir, cover, and let cook for 10 minutes. Take 2 chicken breasts, cut them into pieces. Tell me how you make broccoli at home. I would love to know your recipe. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Now remove the broccoli and carrots from the pan and set aside. In a pan, add oil, the chicken breast, then salt to taste, oregano to taste, black pepper to taste, and mix them together to give the chicken an explosive taste. You guys, make this chicken and broccoli recipe at home, and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Now add 3 garlic cloves and mix again. Add 1 onion, stir, then add the broccoli along with the carrot, which were reserved, and mix all the ingredients. To give it that special touch, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and stir for 2 minutes. In ½ cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix. Then pour into the pan and mix everything together. And our chicken with broccoli is ready. Look at what a beautiful dish and how delicious it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.